In JBI Summary, you can edit the studies included at the title and abstract stage and the full text screening stage. To edit a record, I click on that vertical ellipsis on the far right of the corresponding record. I can then click on Edit Record, and this will bring up a dialog box where I can edit the citation details of the study. I can change the type of resource, such as whether it is a journal article, a book, or a conference paper. I can also change the title, authors, year, and other details such as volume, issue, pages, and DOI. The changes then need to be saved by clicking the blue Save button on the bottom right of the dialog box. For now, I'm just going to leave this unedited and click Cancel to exit the box. It is also important to note that I can edit studies at any stage of the screening process, or when I'm writing the protocol or the report. When two or more studies have been merged, I can still edit the citation details of the primary study, but I cannot make any edits to the associated references. To do so, I will have to unmerge the references.